Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable voice typing on Samsung Galaxy A22. Let's go. Okay, so what we need to do is we will need to go to settings, which is right here. Then you press the magnifying glass and write voice, and all you need to do is press voice input. You have all these options here, but where we are gonna go is voice input, and select Samsung voice input or Google voice input, because if you put none, it don't work. Okay, now it works. Let me show you. Okay, create note, and you have this microphone here. Hello, my name is Hard Reset. Okay, as you can see, the voice input is not as good, but maybe this app is bad. Hello, my name is Hard Reset. You can delete it, as you can see, and you can tap to talk, and you tap. I'm 18 years old. And it works. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.